Well, it's a fine day, Freckles. We must have needed the rain. You know, some people complain, but you know, my grass will turn green. Gloomy, huh? Not really, man. Nature's giving us some rain. Well, this thing's looking pretty precarious. It's starting to lean to the left, and it's a little unstable. Kind of like me, I guess. I don't know. But I have. So I think I'm gonna set up to hook it up to the old truck and yank it down. Still there. Oh, gotta have faith. We'll just move this into a more tented spot. Remember, it's better to pull than push. Even in rocky surfaces. Well, here's a cute experiment. I wonder if I could wrap that dog using the weight on that end to hold it in place and see if there's enough flex in the board to lift everything off the ground so I could get that tarp out. What do you think? You know, tried to figure out all the forces and vectors. Knotted that baby up. I'm hoping I can lift it. Just a half inch. All I need is a microscopic quarter inch. We'll see. I don't know where I left off because I made a mistake and I can't show you my license plate, so I wrapped this baby, and I'm hoping that right there with all these complicated crazy man knots that I can lift this up. Hopefully a quarter inch, but I don't know whether it'll flex, break, bust, or it's precarious. Boy, look at that construction. Looks like a crazy man did it, but we'll see. And I, have used some crazy man knots. I don't know that they're official Boy Scout or Marine, but by now my knowledge of knotting, they might work. We'll give her a whirl. Well, here I go. Last car to pass. Final car goes down real slow. All I got is the top of that log in my mirror, and I might just try using the weight of gravity on this small slope. But that nylon rope's gotta stretch. Boy, there's all kinds of things working against me, but who knows? Let her rip, right? Might need a gear. Slippage there. We better take a look and see. It's still laying on the ground, huh? Not enough angle. Well, I guess we'll just rip the tarp up and get that thing off the wall. if you're gonna boast, boast in the Lord. He must have gave me a pretty good mind. Gave us all a miracle mind. And all them vectors and everything, under pressure, stretch of the rope, and all of that. Check out how straight that board is. Thank God. And it lifted it just enough to clear the tarp. I hope you guys got to see that, because I didn't. Oh, it didn't rip the tarp. Well, must have picked this end up a little bit, so I couldn't have been too wrong. Just wasn't stable. Don't know what I'm gonna do over there. I might actually just pull that into the center of the tarp so I can cut it up and not make a mess. Which I already did up at the other end. I forgot to put my towel down. How's that? You know, you guys get to see it and I don't. Well, it's for you anyway. Center. What a guess. Thanks. Like, subscribe, comment. Who knows? I'm just trying to get a laugh while I teach our youth. While trying to teach financing, but be careful. You gotta always be careful. Sometimes you might think it's luck, but I kind of know it's grace. Oh, I guess after looking at the money features, you know, we might cut it right there. And this looks pretty good. Bullseye. Maybe I'll leave this one all the way. Just past the knot. Then I might get another little piece out of that. Oh, and check this out. And I'll probably just cut it right there. But maybe not for a minute. Got it all level. We'll slice this baby up. Don't know how far the crack goes. And I was lucky we really ripped that baby out by its roots. You know, I don't know, man. And I would say, by the grace of God, it fell this way. Really tore it up. Kind of like a woman giving birth. Well, I was blessed with a skilled surgeon at my son's birth. You know, I want to say a little less than 100 stitches. Made my daughter's life possible. Right, sweetie? So give them what they want. Without bowing your head to anybody but God. I told you it was a good day for the rain. This is BB. One of Freckles' first litter. That almost, but probably wasn't supposed to domesticate. Someone knew the rat was coming along. I know. lot of girls in my life. Squirrels, 3 rabbits. But you know, the only one I've ever made love to since I met her was my wife of 32 years. You know, allows me to get close. But strangers and friends, wonder why they get along. Oh, look at them play.